You know NVIDIA as the company that sells the chips powering the AI boom, the most valuable company on Earth, built on selling shovels in a gold rush. But here's what most people miss. NVIDIA is also quietly giving away the gold. On a website called Hugging Face, NVIDIA has published hundreds of complete, working AI models that can write, see, listen, speak, control robots, and design medicines, and it's letting anyone download and use them for free. In this series, we're going to open that treasure chest piece by piece and use it to understand the entire landscape of modern AI. Let's start with a map. First, where are we? Hugging Face is essentially the GitHub of artificial intelligence, a giant public library where companies and researchers share their AI models for anyone to download. In NVIDIA's page, there is one of the richest of all. Scroll through it and you'll find a staggering range. Language models, vision models, speech models, robotics, biology, climate. It's not a product catalog. It's a working collection of the actual building blocks of AI, and each one is a doorway into a different corner of the field. But wait, why would a chip company give away AI for free? It sounds like madness until you see the strategy. NVIDIA doesn't make its money from the models. It makes it from the hardware the models run on. Every free model NVIDIA releases is tuned to run best on NVIDIA chips. So the more the world builds on these open models, the more NVIDIA hardware the world needs to buy. Give away the blades, sell more razors. It's one of the smartest flywheels in tech, and for us, it means a front row seat to state-of-the-art AI at no cost. So what's actually in the collection? Think of it in a few big territories. There are the language and reasoning models, the brains, under the name Nemotron. There's vision, giving AI the ability to see. Speech, so it can hear and talk. Retrieval, how it looks things up. Robotics, putting AI into physical bodies. World models, letting it imagine and simulate reality. Safety tools to keep it in balance. And science models for biology and even the weather. One company's page, and it's a tour of nearly everything AI can do today. Now, one important idea before we go further. What does open really mean here? When NVIDIA publishes a model, it's not just a demo you poke it through a website. You get the actual model weights, the trained brain itself, as files you can download and run on your own computer or server. There's a license telling you what you're allowed to do with it, and usually example code to get started. That's the difference between open models like these and the closed AI behind a company's private app. Here, you own the copy, and that changes everything about what you can build. Here's how we'll use all this. Each episode, we'll take one territory on the map and answer 4 simple questions. What is this kind of AI, in plain English? What did NVIDIA actually build? Why does it matter? And how could you, or your business, actually use it? No hype, no heavy math, just a clear guided tour, using the best open models in the world as our textbook. By the end, you won't just know what AI can do. You'll know how the pieces fit together. NVIDIA handed us a map to the whole world of modern artificial intelligence and left the door unlocked. Over the next episodes, we'll walk through every room, starting with the most important one of all, the brains, the large language and reasoning models that everything else is built around. That's Nemotron, and it's next. See you there.